Okay, so to print a chart, you can do a couple different things. So say this was the chart you wanted to print. You can click on it, and then you can right-click, copy, or Control-C, or up here, copy, and then you can open a Word document and then just paste it. So I'm going to open a Word document. So I did Control-Copy, and now you can paste it, preferably as a picture, because that way it'll be a little bit easier to adjust. So then you can then just copy paste all of the different charts that you want into a Word document or into a PowerPoint slide. What you can also do is, if you actually want to print it out on a piece of paper, is again just click on this outside border, go to File, then go to Print, and then make sure that here it says Print Selected Chart, and then that way it prints it on a piece, just on a piece of paper. Then you can make it landscape so that it's a little bit bigger. So then you can print it that way if you want. So there's two ways that you can print it. If you have a table that you want to print, so say you want to print this table here, and you want to print enrollment status, you can just click anywhere and then just hold down your mouse button and then just kind of click and drag, and then the same thing, you can do File, Print, and then instead of Print Active Sheet, you can do Print Selection, and that way it only prints what you are highlighting. A lot of the sheets are set up to be printed, but sometimes it just prints really small, so you might want to change that. So you see the entire sheet is on there, but it's really small to see. So you can do like a landscape orientation and don't do any scaling, or just do fit all columns. And sometimes that helps you as well, just to get it a little bit larger. You can do portrait. That might help as well. So you can play around with it that way if you wanted to do that. Or if there's certain things that you do want to print, then you can just highlight them and print them. Or you can highlight and then paste into a Word document. So we had highlighted, I think it was that table, so I can paste that as a picture. Actually, let me go back and look at it. So say I wanted this table here. I can copy the table, go to my Word document, and then paste it as a picture. You can also just paste it as a table. That's up to you. It really doesn't matter. Whichever way it is that you want to look at that data. So those are the two ways that you can print.